Hi, did you know that if you got a pair of newer JBL headphones that utilizes the JBL Headphones app, you also have access to some built-in ambient chill noise called Relax Mode. This feature is unfortunately not available on all JBL headphones, but only on newer models like, for example, the Live 780NC and the 680NC. I'll list all compatible models down in the video description. To activate Relax Mode, you first need to have connected your JBL headphones to your phone and also downloaded the JBL Headphones app to the phone. Then in the app, just jump over to the Others tab where you up the top will find the Relax Mode. Here, pick a time and what you want to listen to, like waves or a sparkling fire, for example, and then just push play. If you want, you can also combine two or more of these, some of them to be honest, more or less relaxing ambient tunes to achieve your perfect state of tranquility. How JBL did not include some rain sounds in this mix though is completely beyond my understanding, but at least you can pretend you're sitting by a cozy fire, which is always something. Alright, thank you for watching, bye!